What's up guys, it is your boy Michael here. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to the making for this Patok Jeepney with Transformers version. And as you guys see, I'm gonna do for this is a brand new T13 dummy or Lucky 13. But because it's a pretty which damages the last video of this, so I got this decided this one. You right? Yeah. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to the what is this stuff? I'm probably not for the same 3 months I was making for this one, so I'm gonna just try this one. If you still like this video, smash the like, subscribe, bottom notification bell, want to notify for the latest videos, and let's get to make it. Yeah! Okay guys, so I'm making finishing with the Patok Jeepney with Transformers version. So I'm gonna make it. This is pretty bad for making. So I'm gonna try to say this is a part for this one here. And you guys see all about the logo for this using the stickers. So this using what is this called? White foam. And you guys see LED lights with charger. So they get this putting on the clear paper they're using color white and orange. And you guys see, as good as see the Sintra board on uses making for this so this is tired. I'm tired for this one here. We're gonna put it in that here. And you guys see all about the logo, and you guys share this. Oh wait, that's gonna see special. Okay, we got the credit card. I can't see this primal. This is good. Wait. So I can see that this picture. This is what's this called? Maximals for the Beast Wars. And you guys see, look at this one here. And you guys see the paper silver. And this is what's called mirror. And you guys see the look at this Autobots logos on it. Autobots Maximals logos from Transformers. So you guys can see looks the Autobots logo, the Autobot logo for the G1, the original franchise, and we got Bayverse, we got the Maximals, a Beast Wars version, but I can't see this picture. And we got the Rise of the Beasts mode, the Transformers or Transformers G1 logo. This is so iconic. And you guys see as I use the painting, what's pretty bad. I was the way with this one to make it. And you guys see the wow. I am not sure that this one and we guys see look at those Decepticons and Predacons. Look at this. Oh my goodness, wow. I really love this design that we have this Decepticons and Predacons logo. We got Decepticons logo and the G1 version, the original franchise one, Bayverse. We got a Predacons logo for the Beast Wars version, and the Rise of the Beasts mode. I'm not gonna see the Scorpion robot version this I never seen like this before. And we got the Transformers logo G1 version with Decepticons. I don't using purple. This painting looks kind of ugly. I don't know how it is. It's just tired with this Decepticons, and you put another the glue stick behind here. Whatever. This is Predacons logo. Yo, look at this engineer. This is a user engineer. Alright, I'm gonna show you this one. Only the back of the front, and you guys see B127 name. You guys see the name in. The guy back to the light. Nothing else coming up there with the color white, orange, red, and you guys see the user painting or chronic paint or whatever this. User painting silver with the project, and then anyway see. So this is all about the Decepticons logo. Oh wow, wow! That's pretty exciting though. Transformers logo, and you guys see the top of the head, and this one here, and then another Transformers logo. This looks so pretty amazing. You guys see back engineer? Oh, that's so bad. I really is so bad. I really this is engineering. You guys see the background of this one here? And you guys see the tire that's so bad with this rolling. So I gotta pushing on this. Wow, I have never thought to see it like this before in the Philippines. For this mabuhay. Look at this. Oh my god, somebody got an opening. And you guys see the chair. We got in the back with all lots of prayers of the people, and you got the drive. You guys see the driver, and there's one here. There's no windows here, but this is the sign for the paper. So this is right, this one. So I'm gonna show you. This is XMX. What this means is the Philippines Event Convention Center. I can't see that this painting using for the SM Mall of Asia. That's the Philippines Event Convention Center or the mall, whatever. I can't see the name on it. This is the Patok Libre or Bayad Sakay or whatever. I'm gonna put this one here. You guys see the mirror, the driving, and there's put it propeller or money. But there's some reason the engineering, the circle driving. And you guys see the car background. But this is no obvious reasons. And you guys see, well, you guys just like the color, the purple or whatever, the violet, the yellow, red. Or this is the light purple, violet, and I can't see that this is. Don't remember this one. I probably actually this is one too. So I'm gonna try for the exciting. So let's get it light this up. Oh wow! I'm gonna press thing. So we gotta press thing. Oh my god! Oh wow! I don't. Wow! Can you switch it? Woo! That's better. That's pretty lights on. And you guys see, and we got the new chargeable for this LED lights. And you guys see this one, this one here. But this is the charging with this background. This is the LED lights. Let's so freaking amazing. Let's try this one. Oh shoot! What the? I can't. Sheesh! Look at this one. Wow, the lights are flashing there. And this is the user handle for this handle with hands. So you got silver here. But this is a really design. This is pretty. Looks so cool. I don't think for this actually. Look at those things. Let's back up. Look at those. Back to light. I've got to fix this. I don't really prepare for kind of this is possible, but it's careful. Oh my god, the lights are on. Oh my god. Ooh. And we got back on. Ooh. Wow, I never seen like this before. Here you guys see this. So we got a pressing. Is it pressing? I never seen like this. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Holy shoots. Holy primus. Find my primes. Look at those lights on. Sheesh. And you guys see the lights on there. And we got skill. When it comes to scalable, I will put lots of this one. But the jeepney is this one here. This is a good kind of really see for this using the tire that's fixing this one here. All the looks. Hey, look at those things! Woohoo! So we got this with the centimeters. I'm gonna size comparison with this. We don't have any actually for the size, the rulers or something. And we got this ruler. Oh, hold on. Let me see the two next time. Alright, 37 centimeters. We got 37 centimeters. We got this one, and then back to the side for the inches. There we go. So what's that? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 14.4 inches. And we guys see the little sizes. So I'm not gonna see the lotables anywhere soon. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it and subscribe to the channel, notification bells for the notified for the latest videos. Follow us on social medias. And we guys to see this is my tire that's really so ugly. We can't do this folding of this one here. So we got that. Woo! 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 Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on my next video. Bye. Peace.